Well, India Today has now accessed exclusive details of the apprehended Valley's villains. We bring you the exact breakup of what roles these 7 Hurriyat leaders perform in Gilani's Pakistan-funded terror network and how exactly they fuel unrest in the valley. India Today's Neetu Jain files this report.
गिलानी साहब किसके टच में पाकिस्तान?
गिलानी की जमात इस्लामी वहाँ है और फिर एजेंसियाँ भी हैं।
हाफिज सईद के कोई टच में है? इनमें से कुछ
साथ थोड़ा सा कहाँ है, थोड़ा सा उनके साथ थोड़ा सा।
May 16th, 2017. India Today exposed these Hurriyat leaders, Bitta Karate and Naeem Khan, openly confessing, admitting on our cameras, boasting of Hurriyat's Pakistan-linked terror. These men admitting openly that they received funds from Pakistan to fuel unrest in the valley. As India Today foils their terror ploy, the NIA has cracked down. Ayaz Akbar, Altaf Fantoosh, Peer Saifullah, Mehraj Kalwal, Shahidul Islam, Bitta Karate and Naeem Khan are now arrested. And now we show you who these men are and how they chalk out Gilani's terror network. Ayaz Akbar, Altaf Fantoosh, Peer Saifullah and Mehraj Kalwal are closest to Gilani, while Shahidul Islam is Mirwaiz's man. But what are their exact roles in Gilani's terror network? Bitta Karate, Shahidul Islam, known to mutilate bodies of suspected police informers. Altaf Fantoosh handles monetary transactions with Pakistan. Mehraj Kalwal is behind hoisting Pakistan or ISIS flags in the valley. Peer Saifullah runs Gilani's office, gives and takes orders from Pak agencies. Now, while all these men have massive houses and apple orchards in the valley, take a look at this man, Altaf Fantoosh, Saeed Ali Shah Gilani's son-in-law. India Today has accessed these documents, which show the sheer amount of money that has crossed hands from across the border that allows him to own this vast wealth. A 4,000 square feet, 3-storied house in Srinagar, a 2,000 square feet house in Jammu. Fantoosh and his brother Fayaz Ahmed Shah are also joint owners of Fantoosh Hosiery Shop, a 2-storied showroom in Srinagar.
Whose side are the Hurriyat leaders really on? Are they using the violence in the valley to feather their nests, as documents accessed by India Today seem to suggest, or is fomenting trouble their real purpose?
As the NIA probes these separatists, the Hurriyat's game is exposed. Their dirty financial trail too is out.
While the expose seems to be having its desired effect, quelling the violence in the valley is still going to be an uphill task. In Srinagar with cameraman Ajay Sinha, this is Neetu Jain for India Today.
All right, let me bring in Kamaljeet Sandhu at this point of time. You know, Kamal, good morning. And let's just look at the way things are panning out. Neetu Jain, our colleague right now in Srinagar, exposing how these 7 were involved in fomenting trouble in the valley through getting funds from Pakistan. But having said that, it seems the NIA is not just going to draw the line where these 7 are concerned. We are expecting summons to be issued to the big fish of the Hurriyat now.
Well, absolutely, Preeti. As far as this case is concerned, remember the arrests have already been made. The 7 accused will be produced in the Patiala House Court, the NS Special Court at around 11 o'clock. Then they will be grilled in custody, and we've been told they will be grilled on their links with Saeed Ali Shah Gilani, with Yasin Malik, meanwhile Umar Farooq. These are the people, and remember, there have been solid evidences which have been recovered from the houses of the accused, which obviously means the letterheads of Hizbul Mujahideen, Lashkar-e-Taiba. There are phone call records of the accused, and obviously this entire connection of terror funding, money coming in from Pakistan through the Hawala route, from cross LOC, from cash couriers. All this has now been traced, and we've also been told that 13 of the charge sheets in the stone pelting cases have also been seized by the NIA. So this is something that they want to do. They would connect the dots. But more than that, this could just be the tip of the iceberg. We've been told they're looking at this big Hawala racket, which obviously exists and which needs to be exposed.
All right. Thank you, Kamal, for joining us at 10 a.m. today. All 7 would be produced at the Patiala House Court. We're going to get you the latest from there.